I use Pop On Veneers. I called them a few months ago. They sent me the impression kit. I left the impression kit out for a little bit, not thinking nothing of it. Then I finally did some impressions. I sent them back, and they sent me the veneers. I didn't think it was like a legit thing. Well, as you can see, I had dental issues. I got the Pop On Veneers back. They sent me the little case, everything with the veneers in it, and I'm about to order me some more spare veneers. By the way, the veneers are very easy to put in. You just pop them in. All right. Take your time. I've been getting all kind of compliments now. Like it boosts up your esteem a little bit. It did me like with my job and other things. You know what I mean? Because I couldn't afford the thousands of dollars for dental care and stuff. So Pop On Veneers it's great. Thank you guys.